unveiling the early menopause mystery. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Menopause Relief Therapy channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a bit confusing and sometimes scary, and trust me, I get it, early menopause. If you're in your 30s or 40s and experiencing symptoms like hot flashes, irregular periods, or mood swings that seem to come out of nowhere, you might be wondering, is this what they call a meltdown, or is something more serious going on? Well, it's entirely possible that you're facing early menopause. Let's unpack this whole early menopause business. Unlike menopause, which is a natural transition most women experience around their 50s, early menopause throws a wrench in the works, happening in your 30s or even earlier. It's like Mother Nature hitting the fast-forward button on your hormonal symphony. Early menopause might not announce its arrival with a fanfare, but there are some subtle clues your body might be sending. Here's what to watch out for. The period plot twist. Remember your periods? Those reliable monthly visitors? Yeah, with early menopause. They might decide to play hide and seek. They could disappear altogether, show up sporadically, or become lighter or heavier than usual. This irregularity is a sign your ovaries are taking a vacation from egg production. The great heat caper, hot flashes, the not-so-fun badge of honor for many women going through menopause. These sudden bursts of heat can leave you flushed, sweaty, and feeling like you just stepped out of a sauna. Night sweats, their nighttime counterparts, can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling like a human sponge. The mood swirl, feeling irritable, anxious, or down in the dumps for no reason. Early menopause can mess with your emotional well-being. Estrogen, a key hormone produced by the ovaries, plays a role in regulating mood. With its decline, emotional fluctuations become more common. The libido lowdown. Your sex drive might take a nosedive with early menopause. The decrease in estrogen can affect vaginal lubrication and cause discomfort during intercourse, leading to a decline in libido. The brain fog, fumble, difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and brain fog are all potential symptoms of early menopause. These can make everyday tasks feel like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. The vaginal whisper. Vaginal dryness is another common culprit. It can lead to discomfort during sex and burning sensations. This is due to the thinning and drying of the vaginal tissues caused by the decrease in estrogen. Remember, these symptoms can also be caused by other health conditions. So it's crucial to see your doctor to get a proper diagnosis and rule out anything else. All right, detectives, let's crack the case. Here are the usual suspects behind this early hormonal farewell. The genetic gamble. Genetics play a role in when menopause occurs. If your mom or close female relatives experienced early menopause, you might be more predisposed to it. The autoimmune assault. Autoimmune diseases, where your body attacks its own tissues, can sometimes target the ovaries, leading to premature ovarian failure, a fancy term for early menopause. The medical mayhem. Certain medical treatments, like chemotherapy or radiation therapy for cancer, can damage the ovaries and trigger early menopause. The surgical snip, surgical removal of both ovaries, often done during a hysterectomy, will naturally induce menopause, regardless of age. Early menopause can throw a curveball at your family planning. Since ovulation ceases, getting pregnant naturally becomes very difficult, although not entirely impossible. But there are still options to consider, and trust me, you've got this. The egg freezing option. If you know you might want children in the future, egg freezing can be a viable option. During this process, your eggs are retrieved when you're younger and healthier, and then frozen for later use in vitro fertilization, IVF. The donor egg detour, IVF with donor eggs, is another possibility. In this case, fertilized donor eggs are implanted in your uterus, allowing you to carry a pregnancy. This can be a great option if you still desire to experience pregnancy and childbirth. Early menopause doesn't have to be a dance with despair. There are treatment options available to help manage your symptoms and improve your quality of life. Let's explore the main players in this treatment tango. The hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Hero. HRT is often the first line of defense against early menopause symptoms. It involves replacing the hormones your ovaries are no longer producing, primarily estrogen and progesterone. HRT can significantly alleviate hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, and mood swings. It can also help prevent bone loss, a risk factor for osteoporosis, which becomes more prominent with early menopause. There are different types of HRT, including pills, patches, creams, gels, and vaginal rings. Your doctor will work with you to determine the most suitable form and dosage based on your individual needs and medical history. It's important to note that HRT isn't without its potential downsides. There may be an increased risk of blood clots, stroke, and certain types of cancer in some women. Discussing these risks and benefits with your doctor is crucial to make an informed decision. Now, HRT isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Some women might not be suitable candidates for HRT due to medical history or personal preference. But fear not, there are other warriors in your treatment arsenal. The lifestyle shuffle. While HRT tackles the hormonal shift, a healthy lifestyle can be your best friend in managing early menopause symptoms. Here are some key moves to incorporate into your routine. Diet Diva. Embrace a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These provide essential nutrients and can help regulate mood and energy levels. Think colorful plates packed with vitamins and minerals. Exercise Energizer. Regular physical activity can be a lifesaver. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Brisk walking, swimming, dancing. Find activities you enjoy and get your body moving. Exercise helps combat hot flashes, improves sleep, and boosts mood. Sleep Sanctuary. Prioritize quality sleep. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine. Create a cool and dark sleep environment. And avoid caffeine and electronics before bed. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night to feel your best. Stress Slayer. Stress can exacerbate menopausal symptoms. Techniques like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can help manage stress and promote relaxation. Find what works for you, whether it's journaling, spending time in nature, or taking a relaxing bath. The Complementary Care Crew. While not a replacement for conventional treatment, some complementary therapies can offer additional support. These may include, but are important to discuss with your doctor first. Acupuncture. This traditional Chinese medicine practice involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body. Studies suggest it might offer some relief from hot flashes. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs like black cohosh may help manage hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms. However, it's crucial to discuss these with your doctor before use, as they can interact with other medications. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. This form of therapy can help you develop coping mechanisms to deal with emotional challenges associated with early menopause. Check the link in the description for our online CBT self-help guide to ease menopause, hot flushes, and night sweats. Talking to a therapist can provide a safe space to express your concerns and learn strategies for managing emotional fluctuations. Also, in the description below is a link to access online therapy where you can talk to a therapist. Make sure to use discount code THERAPY20 for 20% off. We've talked about treatments and strategies, but early menopause is more than just a medical condition. It's about taking charge of your health and well-being. Here are some tips for navigating this new chapter. Embrace knowledge. Educate yourself about early menopause. The more you know, the more empowered you feel to manage your symptoms and make informed decisions about treatment. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries. Find credible sources and become your own health advocate. Connect and share. Find support groups or online communities for women with early menopause. Sharing experiences and connecting with others who understand can be incredibly helpful. Knowing you're not alone can make a big difference. Prioritize self-care, don't neglect yourself. Make time for activities you enjoy, whether it's reading a good book, spending time with loved ones, or taking a relaxing bath. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for managing stress and boosting your overall well-being. Celebrate your strength. Early menopause can be disruptive, but it's also an opportunity to embrace your resilience and inner strength. You are not alone. and you can navigate this journey with grace and confidence. Remember, you are a strong, capable woman, and you can thrive despite this change. Early menopause doesn't define you. It's a new chapter in your story, and with the right knowledge, support system, and a healthy dose of self-compassion, you can write an amazing one. That's all the time we have today for unveiling the mysteries of early menopause. Remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on women's health and wellness. In the meantime, take charge of your health, embrace this new chapter, and keep living your life to the fullest. See you next time.